Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
At the end of the millennium, when the personality of Godhead Lord Narayan lay down within the water of devastation, Brahma began to enter into him along with all creative elements, and I also entered through his breathing. Narad is known as the son of Brahma, as Lord Krishna is known as the son of Vasudev. The personality of Godhead and his liberated devotees like Narad appear in the material world by the same process. As it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, the birth and activities of the Lord are all transcendental. Therefore, according to authorized opinion, the birth of Narad as the son of Brahma is also a transcendental pastime. His appearance and disappearance are practically on the same level as that of the Lord. The Lord and his devotees are therefore simultaneously one and different as spiritual entities. They belong to the same category of transcendence.